Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? Today I'm going to be filming a neon makeup tutorial. I am in a pink mood, so this is the look that I came up with. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new, and without further ado, let's get into the video. The one thing about using neon is that it's very particular and it can mess up really quick, especially if you don't have a vibrant base, because that is what you need to make your eyes look like they're neon and not just pink. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip palette first, and I'm gonna use this as a concealer. I know it's white, but I want it to be as bright as possible. If I have to mix it to make it not look weird, then I will. But I'm just gonna like dig in here. Because I want it to be as vibrant as possible. The two palettes I'm going to be using today for the neon pink look is the Take Me Back to Brazil BH Cosmetics palette. And I'm also going to be dipping into the James Charles Artistry palette. I'm going to pick up this shade right here in the BH Cosmetics palette. I'm going to take that shade and I'm going to begin blending it out. Okay, so now I'm just going to take some concealer and cut out a halo eye. To go in with this shade right here. I'm going to place that on the outer corners so that we can create this halo eye, like so. And then you're just gonna switch back and forth between the white and the pink. So I wanted to add a little touch to this, so I'm going in with the NYX Vivid Brights liquid liner. These are really hard to use, honestly. I don't even know if it's just dry, but they're really hard to use. They're just super cracky. But I'm going to take this and outline just the kind of cut that I did with the concealer so that we can just add a little bit more oomph, you know, to the look. Some lashes. These are the Cocoa lashes in the style Queen Bee, and I'm just gonna pop these on real quick. They're one of my favorite pairs of lashes. Okay guys, I'm back and better than ever. So I went ahead and did my foundation. The foundation I used was the No Filter ColourPop foundation. I will put that down below if you guys want to know the exact color. But right now I'm just gonna highlight with this palette right here. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Palette. I'm gonna take the lightest shade and I'm going to use that as a base for a highlight. And then I'm gonna go in with a little darker shade and blend everything out. Okay, so I'm pretty sure I'm going to cream contour today, so I'm going back in with the same palette. I'm taking these two shades right here and I'm going to mix them. Taking my No Filter setting powder from ColourPop, I'm just going to set my under eyes and everywhere that I put that concealer. my setting, I'm going to be going in with my MAC Film Noir contour. I love this contour because it's cool tone, and that's why I think I'm going to use it today. Go ahead and brush the under eye powder off because I want to begin to do the lower lash line. So for the lower lash line, I'm going to go in with this shade right here, the same shade that I used on the top of the lid on the eye. I'm gonna go in with that. Now it's time for highlight. I'm going to be dipping into my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. I'm going to go in with the shade Bronze, and I'm going to mix it with a little bit of tourmaline as well. Color into my face. I'm going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Trio, and I'm just gonna dip that in and lightly put some on the cheeks. Okay guys, I basically got carried away. Like, I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip kit to kind of just like make a color that kind of matched the eye look. I kind of got carried away and I didn't film what exactly colors I mixed, but this is the finished look. This beautiful neon makeup look. I'm all for it. It's super pink and I love it. I hope you guys love it too. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and let me know what you think about the look in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!